Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Well, look at this 2020 Land Rover Range Rover Sport HST in Phosphorus Gray. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 21-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, shark fin antenna, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 33,000 miles on the odometer, 10-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.0-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 8660A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.